Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about idioms. Idioms are the expressions which are found in all languages. There are about 25,000 idioms in English language. All other languages will also have idioms. So we must have interest in learning the idioms of our own native language as well as in English language. Now, idiom has its own meaning, which is non-literal. It means that meaning of each word contained in that phrase cannot be combined or added to get the overall meaning of that phrase. Like, for example, it is raining cats and dogs. Reach for sky. No love lost. My aim is to generate an interest in you to look for idioms. Know they have inkling of many idioms, but we are not sure of their exact meaning, and thus we hesitate to use them in our day-to-day language. Thus, we throw a big advantage to make our conversation or daily speech more spicy, witty, and impressive. So let's start with our idioms today. Let's begin. The first idiom is break a leg. It means good luck. Earlier, this idiom used to be used for people, those who performed on the stage, like actor and musicians. But now it is being used in all other contexts also. Please do not confuse it with another similar idiom, shake a leg, which means hurry up. Suresh has gone to Mumbai to try his luck in Bollywood. I wished him break a leg. He is going for his interview tomorrow. I wished him break a leg. Second idiom is under the weather. This means to be slightly unwell. He did not perform well in his interview. Maybe he was under the weather. I will not go to my office today because I am feeling under the weather. It means that somebody is slightly indisposed and not feeling very bright today. Third idiom is a dime a dozen. Dime is a 10-cent coin in US currency. It means something very common. Something which is very common and is of no particular value is called a dime a dozen. Kodiyon ke bhaav. Ideas are dime a dozen these days. It is execution which counts. With boom in IT industry, the software engineers are dime a dozen these days. The third idiom is to bite the bullet, to face a challenging and uncomfortable situation, to get something done because it is inevitable, or to decide to do something difficult or unpleasant which cannot be further put off. हिंदी में कहेंगे मजबूरी में स्वीकार करना. We were a large group, therefore the tour operator was forced to bite the bullet and cut its prices. Now I go to the fourth idiom, which is at drop of a hat. Very commonly used. It means to do something without any beforehand planning, to do something immediately, without delay and without any provocation. Similar to it is another idiom on spur of moment. Turant, yakayak, aksmat. She is a rich lady and she can buy expensive jewelry at drop of a hat. Now I come to next idiom, which means the best of both worlds. An ideal situation, a situation which you can enjoy the advantage of two very different things at the same time. हिंदी में इसका मुहावरा होगा, दोनों हाथों में लड्डू होना या पांचों उंगलियां घी में होना. I got a very good deal of staying at 5-star hotel at the price of 2-star hotel. So I must say I had the best of both worlds. Tushar got admission in St. Stephen College as well as in its hostel. So he is very lucky he is going to get the best of both the worlds. Next idiom is cutting corners. It means to do something poorly in order to save time, energy or money. To do a substandard thing. काम चलाऊ काम करना. We should allot additional budget to the defense. We cannot cut corners in the matters of national security. The next idiom is the elephant in the room. It means to avoid the big issue or problem. To ignore something which is inevitable. जानबूझकर खतरे को नजरअंदाज करना. This idiom is let bygones be bygones. To forgive someone for his past mistakes and forget. To forgive and forget. To bury the hatchet. बीती सो बिसार दे आगे की सुद्दी ले. पंजाबी में इसका मतलब होगा मिट्टी डालना. Suresh and Ravi were good friends earlier, then they fell apart, but later on they decided to let bygones be bygones and they are again very good friends. This idiom is once in blue moon. It means very rarely. It is a poetic phrase and refers to something or some event which occurs very rarely. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ होगा ईद का चांद कभी कभार. I am very conscious about my health, so I take fast food very rarely. Through thick and thin. It is a positive phrase. It means in all difficult times and situations, under all conditions, to remain firmly with somebody in all times. सुख दुख में साथ देना. Parents always support their children through their thick and thin. A good friend is one who stands by you and always remains with you through thick and thin. I have finished with the list of my idioms today. Friends, we come across many idioms, sayings and phrases in vernacular and our own native languages. We use them wittingly or unwittingly. We must find out similar meaning idioms or expressions in English. It will enrich our vocabulary and will also polish our conversation, our talks with others. It is one of the easiest methods to improve your English speaking. Tell me if I can help you in this regard. Give your comments and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.